welcome to your weekly reading. Let me share their cards with you. We've got 3 tarot cards. So we've got the Strength, we have the 6 of Wands, and we have the 7 of Cups. We also have one angel answer card, and it is within the next few weeks. That's an interesting message, isn't it? Now, the way that I've got them in front of me on the desk is that these are together. So the 6 of Wands and the within the next few weeks, they feel very much together. So let's begin. First of all, the Strength card. This is a message for you to trust yourself, believe in yourself and your abilities. You know, a few weeks back we had the message about you were born for these times. You absolutely were. So this is a card to say, you know, get in touch with that power, that strength, your inner resources, your inner wisdom. And trust it, believe in it, believe that you have the capability to make this happen, to make this shift, to make this change. Believe in yourself. You know, some things don't always work out perfectly, but you've got to trust yourself enough to know that when whatever happens, I can get through it. I will get through it. I absolutely will get through it. And not only just pull myself through it, but I can survive and I can thrive going through this. So this is a really big thing about trust. We had trust last week, but this feels like trust, not just in the universe, but trust in yourself, that you are magnificent. You are amazing. You can do this. That's what I want to say for some of you. You can do this. Now, there's also connections with this card to patience and like that inner strength, that inner, there's almost like a gentleness. It's this power inside of you. And I'm not talking about the ego, which is incredible. That power in you is connected to the power that is the one, the universe, source energy, one consciousness that has the capability to create worlds. So this is the thing that you're trying to get in touch with here. You are connected with that. You are part of that. So you've got to trust that. And you've got to trust yourself as part of the one, as part of the whole. So that's lovely. But there could be a thing about patience there. You know, like, oh yeah, we've got that. Lots of you are waiting for various things. For some of you, it's happening. It's happening now. And this is a trust yourself, you can do it. I love this card. This is one of the victory cards for me. Plain and simple. You know, sometimes I don't feel like I even need to say anything else. This is victory. This is yes, yes, yes. I'm doing it. Success. I'm achieving. I'm getting there. So it might come in many different forms this week for you. Some of you, it might be a shift inside of you, like with the Strength card, and you're like, I can do this. I can make a difference. I can change this. I can move to that country. I can study for this. I can retrain for that. I can leave my job and go here. You know, it's different for different people. So, but I do get a feeling that many of you are also going to get something in your life this week. This is attached to this. Something connected to your goals, your dreams, your desires. Something coming in where you go, yes, I've won, I've got it, I've achieved, whatever it is, victory is yours. Now, they are still, as I tune into these cards, putting them together. So look, for some of you, you might be getting it this week. For others, it's coming. It's absolutely coming, like within the next few weeks. Whatever it is, the insight, the offer, the opportunity, the invitation, it depends where you are in your life. So look out over the next few weeks for things coming into your life that will really change things around, make things very different for you. And for many, many of you, they are related, these things coming in are related to your dreams, goals and desires, because this is what this card can be. Now, sometimes we get this energy when we're a bit confused because there's so many things we want to do. There's so many things we want to focus upon. We just don't know how to start or where to start. So actually, they're asking me to pull this up again. It feels like there is some clarity for some of you in the next few weeks about your goals, your dream, your desire. Maybe it's something that you're working on, creating in the background, changing, shifting, moving. So in the next few weeks, I just feel like, yeah, something shifting, something coming in that gives you that focus, gives you that clarity, gives you that, I also want to say movement forward as well, something progressing, something moving forward. How exciting. So, yeah, just remember, if it's not this week, you might get it in the next few weeks. Victory. I hope it's a really good week and thank you so much for watching.